Welcome back, everyone. Beach fishing again today. I am at Tura Beach, and about 2 hours before high tide, and it is rough and the current is strong, so I don't know what to expect. Fish out here for about 2 hours till high tide, and then after that we'll see what happens, but we're gonna give it a go. Oh, there we go. Just came up out of the water too. Oh, yep, he's still on there. Oh, good size too. There we go. Oh, he's flopping around. He is 61 centimeters. Very good fish. There we go. Not many bites. I've been here for about 40 minutes already. That's probably only the second bite I've gotten, but we'll take them when they're that size. Okay, off you go. So that's just over 24 inches. So not bad at all. That's almost a PB. Not off by much. Oh, another good hit. Oh. They come up out of the water too. There we go. Come on, wave, help me out. There we go. Not as big as the last one, but he's still good size. So this one's 52 centimeters, so another very solid fish. So only 2 catches so far this morning, but both have been very good. Almost lost it. Oh, that would have been good fun video. Now, I think we've got one. I don't think he's very big though. Yeah, some head shakes there. Oh. And another good sized fish. That's 50 centimeters. About the same size as the last one. He's a little sleeker though. There we go. Oh, here comes the wave. It'll get you. There you are. Beautiful morning though. Absolutely stunning. But the next 3 days are supposed to be not so good. Expecting some rain and heavy winds tomorrow. And then the next 2 days after that, very heavy winds. So might try the estuaries again in the morning just to see what's happening. But I don't think I'll be out here on the beach over the next 3 days. There we we go, another. Oh, the smallest of the day, that's for sure. It's still good. There we are. Oh, probably about 35 centimeters, so definitely the smallest of the day. But on a day where I haven't gotten many hits, 4 fish, not bad. We still probably got another half hour or so. So hopefully we can get on to a couple more. Well, hopefully this is lucky last. I got a bit to do today, so my time is just about up. So we're going to try one more cast. Like I said, it hasn't been very busy this morning, but we'd like to get on one more before we take off. There we go, lucky last worked. Oh, I think he's still on there. Yeah, he's just swimming in. There we go. He's not very big. Probably mid 30 centimeters, maybe pushing 40, but that's all right. 5 fish this morning in this heavy conditions, don't mind it. Well, I've talked about hookup rates in the past, and today was just excellent. That heavy surf was tough, but I think I only had 2 bites where I didn't actually land the fish. We caught 5 in total this morning, and those first 3, all really good sized salmon. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And until next time, keep fishing.